Hey guys, welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy live Twitch viewers so you can boost the engagement of your channel and attract real followers. Without wasting more time, let's dive in. Okay, so the first step is go to your browser and go to followerspanda.com website. So this is the website. Now let's click on Twitch services and search for Twitch live viewers. So that's it. I'm going to click on it. So this is the page that you're going to get. Now, all you need to do is to scroll down. Let's scroll down until you find these plans. So it starts from $6.8 for 25 viewers to $187 for 200 viewers for a week. Okay, first plan is 25 viewers for a day. So I'm going to choose this first plan by clicking on Buy Now. So here you can change the plan from here, but I'm going to keep 25 daily Twitch live viewers. Here you need to enter your username and then email address. You can turn on at 25 more viewers for just $2.25. Okay, so this is an offer. You can choose it and select I agree terms and conditions. Then click on proceed to check out. Okay, so now let's go to your email and to copy 6-digit verification code. Okay, so this is code. You're going to receive it in your email. So let's go to the email. Okay, that's it. I receive it. So I'm going to copy this code. Okay, let's copy it. And then after copying this code, let's go directly to the website again and enter it. And enter your password and click on proceed to check out. Okay, so now all you need to do is to click on proceed to payment. And here you have different payment methods. You can choose which payment method you prefer. Either credit or debit card, PayPal or Bitcoin or crypto. So now I'm going to click on Pay with Wallet. If I'm going to choose Bitcoin or crypto, if you choose PayPal, you're going to pay with PayPal. So this depends on you. Okay, so after clicking on Pay, after paying, now let's click. So after paying, they said here to click here to view your orders. So I'm going to click here. So let's go to my orders, and as you can see guys, I started getting viewers on my Twitch channel. So now it's 31. So you can see guys, it's not something difficult. I hope it was useful to you. And if it was, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.